Okay, okay. So have you got the output? Do you get this overflow? Let's fix this now. So did you get the overflow? If you got it, we can go forward and fix it. Okay. So to fix this, what you have to do is click on this row. Do you see this row? Body row. In the body row. Do you see the bulb on the left side? Do you see the bulb? Yeah. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, it's audible.
Yeah. So do you see the bulb on the left side? Click on the row. Do you see the bulb on the left side? Click that and click on wrap with widget. The first option, wrap with widget. It would say wrap with widget. Click that. I will tell what this does in a minute. So once you get that, you see something as widget, right? I want you to type single child scroll view. Single child scroll view. And over here, type in axis. Okay, just give me a minute. Yeah, type in scroll direction and type in here axis dot horizontal. Hot reload now. You will see something like this. Try to scroll it. Can you see? This is scrolling now.
Got it down.
Others? I will explain this. I will explain what we just did in a minute, but let me know if you got the output. Take 2 minutes time. Try to do this. I'll wait for 2 minutes. See if you got this output. This text has to be scrollable now. If you click and drag this text, it will scroll. Tell me if you got this output. Swana, can you repeat? Yeah, sure. I'll repeat. Let me just undo this. I will explain the theory as well now. Just listen carefully. Okay. Do you have up to this state, Swana? Do you see body row? Do you see this? Okay. இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்னா I want you to wrap this widget into another widget. What I'm trying to say is this row is now the child of scaffold, right? I want you to introduce a widget in between scaffold and row. In between scaffold and row. So the hierarchy will change as the new widget will be the child of scaffold. Row will be the child of the new widget. Do you get the picture? Let me just type it. Okay, so this is how it is organized right now. Scaffold. So the child of scaffold is row right now. So this is how it's organized, right? Yes or no? This is how it's organized right now. Nah. Row is the child of scaffold. What I want you to do is I want you to introduce a new widget here. That is single child scroll view. And this will take another child, that's row. Do you see the hierarchy change? It was initially row within scaffold, but I wanted to introduce a widget in between scaffold and row such that row becomes the child of another widget now. That's the new widget. So right now, this single child scroll view is the child of scaffold and row is the child of single child scroll view. You get that? So to do this, what I want you to do is click on this row and on the left side you'll see this bulb, right? You see this bulb. Click this bulb and press on wrap with widget. This will create an empty widget, a boilerplate widget in between your scaffold and row. So when you click this, see what happens. You have a new thing as widget here, and this row, this child row is wrapped into this widget. It's wrapped inside. So I want you to change this thing widget into single child scroll view. Do not type everything completely. Use the suggest. You have this IntelliJ thing. So Android Studio is an IDE which is made with something called as IntelliJ. That's from a company called JetBrains. They have this IntelliJ thing. Whenever you type, you get prompts for all the things which you're using. So do not type everything. Use the prompts when and where you get that. So if you have done this, what I want you to do now, the default scroll direction for the single child scroll view is top to bottom. Like இந்த மாதிரி scroll பண்றதுக்கு மேலையும் கீழே scroll பண்றதுக்கு தான் you have the single child scroll view. But if you want to use the same widget to scroll horizontally, you have to change this scroll direction. Use the scroll direction and change it to axis.horizontal. That's it. Hot reload now. You will see something like this. You can scroll this thing. Done? Have all of you got this output? Michelle, my code messed up in the middle, so I had to redo. Yeah, mess up ஆகிறதுக்கு the very first reason is you are typing everything. Do not type everything. எங்கெல்லாம் suggestions வருதோ, use the suggestions properly. You will not mess up with the code. Because getting started with Flutter is a bit difficult. And if you're coming from a different language, if you do not know how Dart works, it might be a bit difficult. It was difficult for me too. When I was trying to get started, it was a bit difficult because semicolon எந்த இடத்துல போடணும், comma எந்த இடத்துல போடணும்னு தெரியாது. Right? That will be a problem.
Ravana, can you just show how the axis or horizontal came? Because my network got a little thing in between.
Yeah, it's not a big thing. Have you done up to this part, single child scroll view?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just create a new line. Just make a new line. Type in scroll direction. You will get a suggestion here. Hit enter. And type in axis.horizontal. That's it.
Okay. Yeah.
Look at the best part. If you read the code, you will understand what it is. It says scroll direction is equal to axis.horizontal. Is it a big deal? Scroll in the direction, it has to be done in the horizontal direction. When you read the code, you will understand what it actually does. That's the best part about Dart. It's written in such a way that you will understand. You will very clearly understand how it works. இந்த லைனை புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுல ஏதாவது ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குதா? Scroll direction is equal to axis.horizontal. Okay. Is that fine? Sneha, and another thing, you do not have to know what's under this. In the brackets, I never created. These were created automatically. If you are using the stuff properly, if you are using the autocorrect properly, auto suggestions properly, then these brackets will be automatically generated for you. Do not type them manually. You will miss brackets. You will miss brackets. You will miss commas. You will miss semicolons. Go with IntelliJ. That will make this properly for you. So if you take like 2 more minutes, get this output, we can move to the next widget. I want to cover like at least 3 more widgets today so that you will be able to design your own stuff today. By today, you'll be able to design your own stuff. So take 2 more minutes, get up to this output. I want you to do this. Maybe others who have completed, you can try this. In your own, change this to column and change this to axis.vertical. See what happens. Okay, I messed up with something. I want you to do this. Change this row to column and change the direction to axis.vertical. Tell me what's your output.
The lines get wrapped one below the other.
Okay. Did you notice something else? Probably you might not have noticed. Ulla in the text irukku correcta. Just make more copies of the text. Make like 10 text widgets inside, 10 or 20 widgets inside. Others, did you try that?
Done.
Okay. Hamdan?
Yeah, almost done, bro.
Okay. You should get something like this. Tell me if you get something like this. You should be able to scroll it vertically.